Hello! Did you know that Lucas was able to achieve an additional income of $8,000 a month just from content creation and selling services, all using AI without the need for any skills? So isn't this interesting? You can easily create content starting from writing and video creation and editing, all in one place only, DupDub.com. Firstly, you may wonder why we should use this particular site. And here let me tell you what makes it special. DupDub is a comprehensive platform for content creation using artificial intelligence technologies, aimed at enabling users to produce audio, visual, and textual content with professional quality without the need for traditional studios or advanced equipment. This will certainly save you a lot of time and money and spare you from having to learn those skills yourself. When you log into your account, you will find the interface looking like this. And here you will find all the features that the site offers you. We will start with the first feature, which is the AI avatar. You will see two options here. The first is to upload your photo or a photo of someone else, which can be a customer if you are going to sell this service. The image will then be transformed into an avatar that you can use to create a video. As for the second option, you can upload a picture of an animal to convert it into an avatar, which can also be used to create a video. After that, you will place the text and choose the voice. And there are many voices you can use. Look for what suits your needs among them. There are several amazing voices, especially Ultra. If you want to use your own voice, you can upload it and use it, or you can record it directly from the site. You will also find some dual avatars here that you can use to produce a video for two people. When you choose one of them, you can enter the text for each character and what they will say. You can also change their voices to suit your needs. Or you can upload your own voice or record it as before. Additionally, you can make some simple adjustments to the image from here if you want to. There is also an additional option that allows you to choose a character from the existing ones or create one yourself by uploading images. Or you can record a video directly from the site using the camera. After that, you will specify the character's attributes, such as age, gender, language, and more, and then click on Create. You can also create an image using AI by providing a text description of how you want the image to look. Or you can upload a picture of yourself and transform it into another image in the way you want. Don't forget to choose the image size that suits you. Now let's take an example of the videos you can create. I have included the dialogues and chosen two of the Ultra voices, and now I will click on Generate Talking Avatar. We will wait for the site for a moment, then we click on Generate, and here the site will start creating the video, and once it's done, we will get this.
I love you, Jack, but sometimes I can't help wondering if your feelings are real.
Emma, I chose to love you, not out of convenience, but because every part of you matters to me.
My past mistakes haunt me. What if they make you regret us?
Your past shaped your strength and kindness. Exactly why I fell for you.
Even so, the doubt lingers in my heart like a shadow.
Then let's face that shadow together, hand in hand, and prove our love stronger than any doubt.
Now we will talk about the AI voiceover feature. Here you can create audio clips, and all you have to do is place the text in this space and choose whether you want a single voice or multiple voices. You will also find several options at the top of this area that you can use, such as adding music or sound effects to the audio you want to create. The site gives you many options to get exactly what you want, so you can change the narrator's voice and choose from the available voices. Also, if you want high-quality voices, you can activate the Ultra feature, which provides you with the best sounds. You will also find additional settings like voice speed and language, which you can change if you need to. Once you have entered your text and chosen the narrator's voice, you will click this button to create the audio and then extract it to download the clip. I will give you an example of the Ultra sound.
I can't believe we lost again. What a disaster. The defense was non-existent. They let every shot through. I've had enough of this. It's the same story every season.
Now let's talk about video translation, which is really a great feature. For video translation, you can either upload it or provide a link to it, and then choose the original language of the video and the language you want to translate to. After that, select some settings, including Preserve BGM, which allows you to keep the background music in the video. There is also lip synchronization and subtitle removal. Then, you'll find subtitle settings, and once you finish this, click on Translate Video and watch the magic happen. There is a very amazing feature that I must talk about, which is AI transcription. When you enter it, you upload your video from your device or simply paste the video link and choose from which platform this link is. Then you select the language of the video, and after that, you click on transcription. The site will analyze it a bit and then give you the result. And there you have a comprehensive summary of the video you uploaded. This is very useful for people who study or those who listen to podcasts. There are also many other features, but I have now talked about the most important ones. To know the rest of the features, just click here on one of these boxes. For example, if you click on the video, it will give you all the features related to video, and the same goes for audio and text as well. Now let's talk about another feature that I liked very much, which is that the site provides you with a complete studio within the site so you can easily edit your video without the need to download complicated paid programs. To use the site more freely, you need to upgrade your membership. There are basically 3 memberships on the site. You can check what distinguishes each one and choose what suits your needs. Additionally, there is a 25% discount on all these memberships if you pay annually. If you are a company or a large content creator and these memberships are not sufficient for you, you can switch to corporate memberships. About using this site, you can really save a lot of time and also achieve a significant income by creating content. Or you can sell the services of this site to other people on social media and freelance service platforms. There are many services that we have explained, and you can sell them on a site like Fiverr and achieve significant profits. Let's take these sellers as an example. That was all for this video. If you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the bell to receive all the new updates.